Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell at the bottom of the screen before you head out. Today I'm going to be talking about the new Clinique. It's their new pretty easy liquid eyelining pen. And I did receive this in my Sephora Play box. So if you're unfamiliar with Sephora Play, it is a monthly subscription box. It's $9.99, which includes shipping, and you get deluxe samples as well as a perfume sample with every delivery. You'll see me in the demo put it on. It's very fluid. It's very easy to make a line. The tip on it is very flexible, and that's what I like in a liquid eyeliner. So my two favorites right now, of course, it's Kat Von D, the tattoo liner. This eyeliner is my ultimate go-to eyeliner. It's waterproof, it lasts all day, I have oily lids, and this doesn't budge once it goes on, and it's very easy to work with. Kat Von D has two. She has the tattoo liner and she has the ink liner. I've used both. I prefer this one, the ink liner. The tip is a little bit more stiff, so this one's my favorite. My newest favorite though is from Tarte. It's the Sex Kitten. It has a little cat on top. This one is very, very comparable to Kat Von D's. Kat Von D's has something to shake it up so that you can make sure it's not drying out. These two don't have anything like that, so that's one drawback. All of these are prestige items. You can find them at Sephora or at Ulta, and I'll try to find the pricing and everything for you guys in the description box down below. I'm going to swatch these for you so you can see the comparison of how black they are, how they apply on my hand, and then I'll show you guys how I did my wings today with Clinique. So keep watching. Okay guys, swatch time. So this one is going to be Kat Von D's liner. And see how easy that is, and it's very flexible. The next one I'm going to use, or I'm going to show you, is Tarte's. This one's a little bit flexible as well. There's a difference between the two. This one is the Clinique, so let's see how it stacks up. Alright, so what I'm noticing with this pen is it's really, really easy to draw. It's not stiff at the tip. The tip is very, very flexible, and the ink comes out pretty fluid, so it's really easy to get in to where you need to, like maybe where the lashes meet. Alright guys, so after I swatched them on my hand, they are very, very, very similar, all three of them. They all have the same amount of opaque black ink on them. They all applied very, very easily, very fluid-like. The tips on all of them are flexible enough so you can draw that precise line, but not too flexible where you could lose control and not feel like you have enough control. A liquid eyeliner is definitely one of those things that you have to practice with and find your favorite type of liquid eyeliner. A lot of there's pens, there's also the smaller ones that I find that the smaller ones have a more not as flexible tip. An example is Revlon's Color Stay. This one's also a liquid liner that I don't really care for, just because the tip on these are very stiff and it picks up a little bit too much product, so you end up kind of going all over on your lid, at least in my experience. But like I tell everyone who's new to makeup or they're trying to create that perfect cat wing, liquid eyeliner is going to be your best bet, but you have to practice with it and you have to not give up, because it is a pretty hard thing to master in my opinion. Let's see how they are when you they've already dried down. This is me like rubbing really hard. So that's helpful. That helps to know that once it sets, it stays all day. I'm gonna go ahead and wear this all day so that we can see how my eyes look at the end of the day. I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. Hey everyone, so it's actually a different night that I'm testing out the Pretty Easy liner. I didn't get to do a check-in the day that I filmed the first part of the video, so I went ahead and did another wear test for you guys. This is the footage of the morning. That's about 8 a.m. this morning, and right now it's about almost 9 o'clock, so it's been between 12 and 13 hours that I've had the eyeliner on, and this is how it's looking. I do have to say that I really like this eyeliner. It is very easy to work with. So this one compares just as well to the Tarte Sex Kitten liner and the tattoo liner from Kat Von D. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video and my review of Clinique's new liner, and I hope you guys have a wonderful night, and we'll see you in the next video.